Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great at home. Today is 23rd of December and day is Friday. Please don't waste your all time in playing. Also do practice of the questions. So now tell me class, what we have learned in our last lesson? Tell me boys. Perimeter. Yes, good. So tell me class. So tell me Adeep, what is perimeter? Good. Perimeter is the boundary of the shape. For example, we have a figure, we have a rectangle, and boundary of this shape is perimeter. Tell me boys, how will you find the perimeter of the shape? Yes. To find perimeter, we add length and breadth and multiply the sum by 2. Tell me Abdul Hadi, what is the formula of perimeter? Good. Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus breadth. Tell me class, if we have a question in which length is equal to 10 centimeter and breadth is equal to 20 centimeter. So how will find the perimeter of this shape, this length? Yes, formula of perimeter is T is equal to 2 length plus breadth. Now we put the values in this formula. Perimeter is equal to 2, length is equal to 10 centimeter plus breadth is equal to 20 centimeter. So first, according to board by soul, we will add the brackets. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 centimeter and we multiply 30 by 2. 2 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 multiplied by 3 is 60 centimeter. So perimeter of this length is 60 centimeter. Are you getting my point? Good, very good. So after finding the perimeter of different shapes, we are moving towards area. So now tell me class, anyone have idea about area? Yes, very good. Any shape surrounded from all sides by a line where the starting and ending point of the line are same is a closed shape. The surface enclosed in a closed shape is the region of the closed shape. For example, we have a rectangle and its ending and starting point are same. Inside space is called the area of the figure. Area of the figure. Boundary is called the perimeter and inside space of the shape is called the area. इसके अंदर वाली जो हिस्सा होता है उसको हम एरिया कहते हैं और जिसकी बाउंड्री होती है वो हमारे पास क्या होता है, पेरीमीटर होता है. And as we know, any shape surrounding from all the sides by a line where the starting and ending point of the line are same. So in this figure we have started and ended point are same. So that figure called the area. Now we have a definition of area: the amount of surface a shape cover the amount of surface a shape covers is called its area. For example, we have a different shape, triangle. This is according to this definition, the amount of surface of a shape covers. The amount of surface of a shape covers is called its area. So the area of triangle is this inside surface is called the area. If we have a square, so the amount of surface a shape covered is called its area. This is the area of the square. If we have another shape, this is rectangle. This is the area of this shape. Are you getting my point? Tell me, Afnan, what is area? Good. The amount of surface a shape covered is called its area. जिस तरह हमारे पास पेरीमीटर को फाइंड करने के लिए एक फॉर्मूला था, इस तरह हमारे पास एरिया को फाइंड करने के लिए भी एक फॉर्मूला है. Now we have a grid square. We have to find the area of this grid square. So as we know, the amount of surface a shape covered is called its area. So in this square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boxes. So the area of this grid square is 9 centimeter squares. The area of this grid square is 9 centimeter square. In this figure, the grid is made up of 9 small squares. Each square has an area of 1 centimeter squares. We say 1 centimeter square. We write 1 centimeter, 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 1 centimeter. So each block has area 1 centimeter. If we add all the blocks, we get the area of this whole square. This is 9 centimeter squares. So the area is the amount of surface the shape covered is called its area. The formula of area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. जैसे हमारे पास पेरीमीटर में हम साइड्स को प्लस करते थे तो हमारे पास पेरीमीटर की वैल्यू आ जाती थी और इसका एक फॉर्मूला था हमारे पास P पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 सम ऑफ लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. नाउ वी हैव अ एरिया इन विच so the area is the amount of surface a shape covered is called its area and the formula of area is length multiplied by breadth. एरिया में हमारे पास दो चीज़ें मल्टीप्लाई हो रही हैं जबकि पेरीमीटर में हमारे पास क्या होता था कि हम बाउंड्री की सारी साइड्स को ऐड करते थे तो हमारे पास पेरीमीटर आ जाता था. अब नाउ एरिया इज द सरफेस ऑफ द शेप दैट्स व्हाई वी मल्टीप्लाई लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. Now we will take different examples to find the area of different shapes. For example, we have a square in which length is 10 centimeter and breadth is also 10 centimeter. Now find the area of this shape. So tell me, Deep, what is the formula of area? Good. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth, B-R-E-A-H. So what is the length of this square? 10 centimeter. And what is the breadth of this square? 10 centimeter. So 10 multiplied by 10. यहाँ पे से मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक कर देंगे. 0 multiplied by 0. 0 1 is 0. Multiplication sign. 1 0 0. 1 1 is 1. This is 100. So this is 100. अब now अगर हमारे पास नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं तो जो यूनिट्स हैं वो भी मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. सेंटीमीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर है ना, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ वी विल टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. Another example. We have a rectangle in this. Length is 5 centimeter and the breadth is 20 centimeter. First, length is equal to 5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 20 centimeter. So how I will find the area of this rectangle? Tell me, Maharaj. Yes, good. Area, formula of area is length multiplied by breadth. So length is equal to 5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter. Multiplied by 5, 5 0 0, 5 2 are 10. So this is 100 centimeter squares. So the area of this rectangle is 100 centimeter squares. Now we will take another example in which we have a rectangle. In which we have a rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 7 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 10 centimeter. So first we write length 7 centimeter and breadth. In other words, we can say breadth, width. हम width भी कह सकते हैं breadth. Breadth is 10 centimeter. Now we will find the area of this. Now we will find the area. So the formula of area is length multiplied by breadth. Length is 7 centimeter and the breadth is 10 centimeter. So the area is 70 centimeter square. Now we will take another example in which area is given, in which area is equal to 20 centimeter squares and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. length multiply by breadth. Area is equal to 20 centimeter squares and length is equal to, you have to find, and we write L only here, and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. Now अब हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि हमें वैल्यू चाहिए लेंथ की. अब यहाँ से 10 सेंटीमीटर को हमने खत्म करना है और उसको यहाँ पे लेके आना है. बट हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड फॉर दिस, divide 10 centimeter both side, because हमें L की वैल्यू चाहिए. L की वैल्यू तभी मिलेगी जब हम यहाँ से 10 सेंटीमीटर को खत्म करें. So 20 centimeter squares by 10 centimeter. Similarly, length multiply 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. So both are the same. We cut both the values. यहाँ पे देखें, अब ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है और ये सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है, मींस 2 सेंटीमीटर है. तो 1 सेंटीमीटर को हम इसे कट कर देंगे और 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So now we have 2 centimeter which is equal to length. So this is the value of length. According to this length, area is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, and we have to find the length. So length is equal to 2 centimeter. Are you getting my point? Good. So now tell me class, what we have learned in today's lesson about area, about perimeter. Tell me class, what is perimeter? Good. Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. And tell me class, what is the area? Tell me Vasit, what is the area? The amount of surface of a shape cover is called its area. So look at this cover. As we know, boundary of this cover is the perimeter and inside space is called the area of this cover, and this is the shape of rectangle. Now tell me Nuruddin, what is the formula of area? Good. Formula of area is length multiplied by breadth. To find area, we multiply the length of the rectangle by the breadth. Breadth is, in another word, we can say width. Tell me boys, if we have length 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter, so what is the area of this? What is the area? Yes, 8 centimeter squares. Because हमारे पास यहाँ पे दो लेंथ है जो मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है, दोनों के लेंथ का भी सेंटीमीटर यूनिट है और ब्रेथ का भी सेंटीमीटर यूनिट है. तो जब 2 सेंटीमीटर आपको मिलेंगे तो वो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. So this is our today's lesson class. If you have any problem in query, you can tell me in the class. Do practice at home. Do question number 14. Copy and complete this table in which we have a different length and breadth of rectangle, and we have to find the area. Sometimes we have to find the length and sometimes we have to find the breadth. So you can try at home.